Okay, so as I'm changing this, I'm just doing DevOps. Okay, so okay, so the core reason behind this video actually is just that I want to keep myself accountable, right? I want to keep myself accountable. That's the core reason behind the video. So let me just share this to the group now. So this is just a chat with. Okay, so this is just a live section here, right? So the reason behind this is just the reason why I started this in the first place is just that I want to keep myself accountable, right? I want this is not a one-off stuff, right? So I'm learning DevOps, right? I want to understand how DevOps works, so starting with Docker. So this is just from freecodecamp.org on YouTube channel, right? So you can come here and learn on your own if you want to. But if you don't want to, if you want to join me live here, that would be cool, right? I'm being tempted to want to do something like maybe create a group where I'll be dropping um maybe update on the next time I'll be going live so that you guys will be updated. But for now, I don't have the audience to do that, right? Um, but yeah, this is just a major reason why I want to document this thing on YouTube, right? My LinkedIn account have been banned, right? I've tried so many times to open my LinkedIn account, but it's not working. It's not working. Let me just be sure that this is actually playing well for my other device. I want to be sure that it's playing well. Like I can hear myself on this other device. Yeah, but okay. So my LinkedIn is not work. So I want to just be documenting everything on my YouTube here. Alright. So this is just my GitHub repo. So majorly I write Rust, Rust and Go language. So majorly for back end and distributed system and fintech applications. Alright. So that's the major area I focus on. So I'm not sure if this live is active. Okay, saying live now, yeah. Okay, so let me just confirm from this place. Okay, so why this lose actually? Um, okay. And so the reason behind this whole thing is just to keep myself accountable. Right. So I want to be sure that I'm showing up every day for this because I have a lot of engagement, and I'll have a lot of engagement in the coming days, right? I have students I'm teaching Go language. I have code maintenance I'm doing in Rust language. Um, I have some blockchain architectural research I'm doing, right? So it's bulky, and I have my own personal product I'm building, right? And so I have a lot um on my own end, right? So I just want to keep myself accountable. I really want to learn these DevOps, and I want to learn in this period. Okay, so I'm checking my other device to be sure that I can really hear myself. I don't know, I can't hear myself again. Okay, so while you wait for that to load, okay, so okay, it's quite loud. It's quite loud. So okay, I'm comfortable with that. So but what will be happening is just that I'm having a conversation with a client here, so I will just be. It's a live section, so I'm not the only one going to. I'm just a learner like you that will be joining to learn. So what will happen is that maybe at the end of the video, highest this will go take is just 45 minutes or 1 hour or even 30 minutes every day, right? Every day, at least 5 working days. I will be sure that I'll be active on this YouTube live, sharing my learning journey. Right, so at the end of each learning class, I'll just maybe summarize or talk about what I learned and the new experience, what it is for me, and I'm done for the day. Right, any other person joining me can still share their thoughts and we can just interact. Right, so that's just how I want it to go. But the major goal is just to the major goal is just very simple, right? To document my journey here, right? So that I will be motivated to want to come the next day, right? So that's just the goal for this. So yeah, and this is the whole the first course, right? The first course so far. So we see how it goes, sha. So this is my writing material, and this is my writing material here. So this is my pen and my book, right? I'll be used to jotting down stuff, right? So then on my left here is my church, right? Up Church. So this Up Church, our live section. So you can still, if you want to, we have whole service on Wednesdays and on Sundays. Wednesdays 5 p.m., Sundays 9 a.m. So you can come here and just hear God's word, right? So I put this in on full mood so that we'll be hearing ourselves. But if there's any reason to maybe want to um, do something else or open another window or another tab, we'll do that and just share the screen, right? So yeah, that's just going to be the flow. So yeah, so let's just begin. I hope you have your own writing materials ready. Right, my writing materials are ready. I don't know why this one is not looking. Let me just refresh this. I don't know why it's not looking actually. Você faz a deixa eu falar com você. This is giving me tough time now. Why now?